Hello and welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by octotuts.com. Today we're going to be learning how to make and download Photoshop actions. Photoshop actions are a huge time saver. What they allow us to do is pretty much record each step we do, each thing we do in Photoshop, and then play back and it'll automatically do those same steps for us again. So this is very useful, for example, when you want to resize 100 images to the same size. You'll just resize one of them, record the action, and then play it back for each image, and just like that, it'll do it really fast for you. So this saves a lot of time. So let's open up Photoshop, and I'll teach you guys how this is done. Let's go to Window and click on Actions, and we have this little thing. You should have the default actions, and then I have this Polaroid generator action that I downloaded on my own. So within the default actions, Photoshop provides you with a couple actions that you could use, but for now we want to make our own action. So what I'm going to do is resize this image. So let's click on this right here. It's going to, when you click on it, it makes a new action. It says create new action. So let's click on it. Let's just name it action 1 and let's leave it in the default action set and just press record. Once it's recording, go to image size, and I'm going to resize this, give it a width of 500 and a height of 700 and press OK. And there you go. So now let's press the stop button right here. So now let's press Command Z to go back, or Control Z if you're on Windows, and I'm just going to play back this action. Just press the play right here, and bam, just like that, it returns back to the size that we wanted it to. So if we open up another image, we could play the same action, and it'll resize it to 500 by 700 pixels, just like that. So now let's go back, and actually let's use this Polaroid action. So I'm going to close these default actions. Let's click on the Polaroid generator, and just press play. Press continue, and it will just give you a couple things as you're going along. Just press continue, and as you can see, it's automatically doing it for me. And there you go. It says that's it. Now you can move around the image to define a crop. Also check out the film type. So just press stop, and as you can see, it made the Polaroid for me. So now all I need to do is just select the image, the original image, and let's make it bigger. And you just fit it into the Polaroid any way that you want. There you go. So that looks really cool. So that's for that action. Now what you could do to download it is head over to this website. I'll provide the link in the video description below. It says 100 free Photoshop actions. So right here, there's 100 Photoshop actions that you could just download and use. And I downloaded the Polaroid generator, which is the first one. So you click on that, it's opening the link in new tab, and then just click download file. It's going to download it for you. Double click and open that up, and then just double click on the action and it'll automatically open up in Photoshop. Double clicking will automatically enable it in Photoshop. Then once it's enabled, just go to Window, Actions, and then you could use it from there. So that's it for this video tutorial. Hope you guys learned something new today, and I hope that's going to save you guys a lot of time, because it sure has saved me a lot of time. This is octotuts.com, and until next time, I will see you guys later.